turned even more around so the audience can see exactly what's going on. The guard doesn't know anything. The guard's just asleep, you know, oblivious, worrying that he didn't get all of his goon stamps on his goon card. You got some good, like, good nickels in there, though, I see. Oh, it's just your TSA stuff last night. TSA. Yeah. We had so much fun with those TSA uniforms last night, man. Wow, how many seconds in? 42 seconds still working those cuffs. You do this a lot faster at Mistress Maiden's House of Love, man. What are you trying there? You trying to shim it? Trying to pick it? Trying to find the hole.
There we go. Yeah.
1 minute in, he's out of his cuffs. We're gonna try for the door. Which door? Let's see.
Whoa.
These should be counterclockwise. Yeah, all locks open counterclockwise except the padlocks on the side of the lockers. Very smart man here. He's going to try hard for a while, and if he has to bounce back to medium, so be it. If you know how the math works, remember, it's points for time.
Open.
Oh, is that open? Oh!
Teabag him.
Oh, it's open. Damn! Open the filing cabinet. Clockwise on the padlocks here. If he gets this open, he can grab a uniform. Not even halfway on time yet. Looking like both the top picks are in action. Oh, almost turned.